save me. Please, out there, save me. I don't want to do this project. Why can't I just snap my fingers and have it be magically cleaned up? So I don't even know where to start, aside from just starting here. But there's so many things that I have to take care of. Like, do I try to find organization while leaving things in place, or do I just remove everything from this area? I feel like I need to remove everything from this area and just shuffle it out and then figure out what needs to come back and what needs to not come back. Okay, so I have 1 hour and we're gonna tackle, I think the main thing is we're gonna tackle just getting everything out and onto this table. That's a great idea. All right, let's do it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to have 1 trash bag for donations and 1 trash bag for trash. And we'll see what we fill this up with. I think the problem with when you have too much stuff, I think what happens is that you get so attached to, like, well, that's really good, I can't get rid of that. And so you end up holding on to it and you really don't even need it. You don't even really want it. You have no use for it. But because you have such high value on what that object is, even though it has no value to you, you tend to hold on to it. So what I'm gonna attempt to do in this clean out is if there's anything that I'm not using that I have no need for, regardless of whether it's good quality, I'm either going to donate it or sell it. And I think that pile is gonna be pretty big. So I don't think my husband's gonna be happy. He does not want me to get rid of anything when it comes to like tools and stuff like that. So I think I'm just gonna have to sneak it past him. Oh gosh, what a project. Oh my God, where do I even start? All right, we do not need all these clamps. Sorry, clamps, you gotta go. It's easy when you're actually just pulling everything out. That's the easy part. Like, how many freaking impact drivers do I need? Hi.
Can I ask you one favor?
What?
Any machinery, please, do throw them away. Do not put them in a box to throw them away.
Can I record you right now?
No.
Because I literally just said to the camera that I have to sneak things past you. Like, I have 3 impact drivers. Why do I have 3 impact drivers? Oh, this is my big mama jamma. Oh, circular saw. This is a good quality tool. My Milwaukee. Like, what to do with all this wood? How do you get rid of wood? Especially when you can make something out of it. Like good quality pieces of wood. I told you so. Man, this is gonna be such a big project. I have all the tools taken down from the tool area and it's a mess. And it's like, I don't even know how I'm gonna have space to even do more than a small section at a time. Like, look at this, just stacks and stacks of tools. Now this, I definitely cannot get rid of. This is my Milwaukee circular saw. This thing is amazing, but I haven't used it that many times. Kind of forgot that I had it. I was just using my little Ryobi one. I've got a router. I don't need this router anymore, so I guess I'm gonna have to sell it. It's a corded router. I actually have a router that I'm using with Festool that actually has a hose attachment. So this thing has got to go in the pile of things to sell. And I think I need to get that router bit out of there. I'm not selling that. Screw gun. How much drywall am I gonna do? Do I really need a screw gun? I guess a screw gun is probably pretty helpful to have. So this is pretty cool. This is, I forgot I had this too. This is my little handheld Ryobi router. You just pop a battery onto this and you can do small little routing projects because it was way up high here on the shelf. So I didn't even know that I had it, but this thing is pretty cool. This we're definitely gonna keep because there are times when I wanna route things and I don't wanna pull out my big Festool router. So this is staying. The question is, where do I set it while I clean all this stuff up? Ah! I don't know, save me. Please, out there, save me. this project. Why can't I just snap my fingers and have it be magically cleaned up? I speak a little bit of Spanish, un poquito, pero no mucho. Okay, okay. Entonces podemos hablar en español y inglés. You know, it's all this little stuff here that has a place, but it's not organized. And even when it's organized, it all looks messy. So it's like, what do I do with all of it? I just want to get rid of all of it and just find a place for it that works. So I just feel like I want to start over. Let's do it. Let's take everything out and start over and just see, does everything belong in this place, or is there a better place for this particular thing? Oh, and have you seen these on Facebook and Instagram? These things are awesome. So if I've got like a pipe, I can measure around it just like that. So I know that when I transfer my markings, that's the size it needs to be. Pretty cool, right? Have I ever used it? No. Am I going to keep it? Yes. You never know when you could use something like this. Like, there's not even enough space to even move around in here to even clean stuff off. Like, where does it all go? I totally forgot that I had these. I got these at an estate sale. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I know I bought them for my shed because I was going to put like screws and other things in there, but I was going to paint them. Look how cute they are. They have like little compartments. Oh my goodness. Look at this, so cute. I love it. All right, these are gonna have to go to my shed. I need to paint these. I don't know what color, but these can go in my shed. I'm literally taking everything down. At this point, I don't care what it is. I just need to start from zero. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to come back because this is just day one of a 60-day challenge that I'm doing with my mom, a decluttering challenge. So I'm going to challenge you, if you have got a messy garage, if you've got a messy office, a messy kitchen, whatever the space is, I'm going to challenge you to do it. Actually, no, let me take that back. I'm going to challenge you to do your garage. It actually took me a little bit more than an hour, probably 2 hours to just clear everything off and to wipe everything down. It's a mess. It's a mess. And so by starting from this blank slate, I'm hoping that I'll be able to go through each item, decide, do I need it? If I do, where does it need to be? How do I group them together so that there can be some organization here? Because it's just a madhouse in here. So I'm going to challenge you to tackle your own 60-day decluttering challenge. Whether you want to work on your garage, whether you want to work on your kitchen, your office, I don't care. But what I do care is that you're inspired by this and you're like, if Serena's doing it and she's overwhelmed, then I can do it and be overwhelmed. So let me know down in the comments, what space are you going to work on for the next 60 days? Give yourself 1 hour a day. That's it, 1 hour. And if you want to do more, then do more. But commit to 1 hour and let's see what we can actually do if we make the commitment to transform our space. All right, I'll see you next video.